Fish keeping is usually talked about as a peaceful hobby. I've said that before in other videos. But there's another side people don't discuss very often, and that's the relationship side. Hello, my name is Dr. J. Welcome back to Mind Over Aquariums, where psychology meets aquariums. When someone becomes deeply involved in fish keeping, it doesn't just affect the tank. It can affect time, space, money, routines, and sometimes emotional dynamics. For some couples, fish keeping becomes something they enjoy together, and that's with any hobby. For others, one person becomes emotionally attached to the hobby, while the other person, I've seen partners enjoy watching their partner take care of the tanks, and the others simply tolerates it. When that happens, over time, that difference can begin creating tension. Maybe it starts with another tank, another expense, another weekend spent doing maintenance, and eventually, one person may start wondering, how serious is this hobby becoming? Because fish keeping can slowly expand, as we know as fish keepers. More tanks, more equipment, more research, more time, and honestly, people outside the hobby doesn't always understand the emotional investment behind it. To them, it may just look like glass tanks, water, and a fish. But for the fish keeper, it may represent peace, routine, identity, achievement, even emotional stability. And when two people attach different meanings to the same hobby, guess what? Misunderstandings start to develop. One person sees passion while the other sees obsession. One sees relaxation while the other sees avoidance or imbalance. And neither person is necessarily wrong. That's why communication matters so much. It's very important because the issue isn't just the aquarium itself. It's what the aquarium is starting to represent emotionally to each person involved. Fish keeping can absolutely coexist within a healthy relationship. But like any hobby, work, hobby, family needs to be in balance because it matters. Understanding matters. And emotional presence still matters. The relationship side of fish keeping isn't really about the fish like I stated before. It's about how people experience time, attention, money, space, and emotional connection differently. Let's be real. That's something many couples quietly struggle with more than people realize. Again, I am Dr. J. Stay mindful, stay grounded. Until next time, take care.